Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the King C Gillette double-edge razor. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need your razor, a fresh double-edge blade, and a good quality shaving cream or soap. Preparing your skin is crucial. Wash your face with warm water for about 1 minute to soften your beard and open your pores, ensuring a smoother, more comfortable shave. Now, let's load the blade. Gently twist the handle to open the razor head, carefully place a new double-edged blade onto the posts, and then twist the handle back to securely close it. Ensure the blade is perfectly centered. Next, apply a generous, thick lather to your face. This creates a protective barrier and helps the blade glide effortlessly, reducing irritation. The key to a great shave is technique. Hold your razor at a 30-degree angle against your skin. Use short, light strokes, letting the razor's weight do the work. Always shave with the grain first to avoid irritation, then relather and go across or against the grain if desired. Remember to rinse your blade often, about 3 or 4 strokes, to keep it clear. After shaving, rinse your face with cool water to close your pores and remove any remaining lather. Pat your skin dry gently, then apply a soothing aftershave balm or moisturizer. This helps to hydrate your skin and prevent any post-shave irritation. Finally, disassemble and clean your razor thoroughly, drying it completely before storing it in a dry place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.